Tess Chapman concluded Channel 5 News by paying a tribute to her co-star Dan Walker after he had an accident on Monday. The former BBC Breakfast host told his social media followers he was glad to be alive after getting hit by a car. After spending the afternoon in the hospital, Dan was forced to miss his usual slot on Channel 5 News, meaning Tessa had to step in. "Before we go, you may have been wondering where Dan is today," Tessa began as she addressed her co-star's absence. "Perhaps you have heard the news that he has had a bit of an accident. He is okay and has back home now. The picture I am about to show you is a bit graphic. He was knocked off his bike by a car, but he was placed in the good hands of his paramedics before going home. He has shared his thanks for the amazing treatment he has received from the NHS today. And of course, in regular Dan spirit, he is trying to keep a smile on his face. This is the best he could do. But anyway, I am all the team wish him a quick recovery and we send him our best well wishes. Get well soon, Dan," she concluded. "Good night."